it runs. Started to stall out because I lowered the throttle down because for some reason, until this thing is warmed up, it runs kind of funny. So probably still have a little carb tuning to do, but as you can see, only one headlight worked. They were both working a minute ago. I actually took some pictures of this and they were both working, and this one quit. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Before I started this video, I checked it out and the wiring to it was fine, so not too sure on that one. Side cover right there is missing because it doesn't fit with the muffler. And this side cover right here is white because I ran out of paint. Open the hood here. So I zip tied the gas tank in because those metal straps kind of stuck. I need to put the battery hold down on there because I was in too big of a hurry to get out here before it rained to do this video, so I didn't put that on. Got the decal on the engine. I think that's the wrong decal for this, but I guess that's good enough. So under hood gas tank with the wrong hood, and somehow it fit. Normally they don't, but on this one it fit for some reason, so not really sure on that one. I think the gas tank's off of something else. It's off of a different tractor, like a blue one, I think. I found a seat for it that's like flawless. Not really sure how I did that, but I was just going around the tractors and I found this seat on one of them. I'm like, hey, that one's perfect, so I switched it out. I got a keychain that matches. It says St16. Otherwise, that's about it on this one. So here's some pictures of the build progress on this thing, and thanks for watching.